Factors affecting photosynthesis. There are 4 external and 3 internal factors which affect photosynthesis. First, external factors. 4 external factors are light intensity, carbon dioxide concentration, temperature, and water content. Starting with first two, as they depend upon each other. As you know, light is required for the process of photosynthesis. So, with increase in light intensity, rate of photosynthesis increases, but up to certain limit only. It increases with increase in light intensity, but when the concentration of carbon dioxide reaches 0.02% in the atmosphere, it becomes stable. On further increase in carbon dioxide concentration in the atmosphere, it start increasing again, but with the carbon dioxide concentration when it reaches 0.05%, it again becomes stable. And further on increasing carbon dioxide concentration with increase in light intensity, it decreases or it stops. That is due to closure of stomata. Now the next external factor which affect the process of photosynthesis is temperature. Again, with rise in temperature, rate of photosynthesis increases. This rise occur only up to optimum range of temperature, that is 35 to 40 degrees Celsius. When temperature increases further, means above 40 degrees Celsius, photosynthesis stop. Now why? Because photosynthesis is enzyme based process, and most of the enzymes are proteins which work at optimum range of temperature, means between 35 to 40 degrees Celsius. If temperature is below this optimum temperature, enzymes become inactive and the rate of photosynthesis decrease. And if temperature is above 40 degrees Celsius, all the enzymes get destroyed and photosynthesis stop. Now the next, water content. But water is one of the raw material which is required for photosynthesis. So if there is scarcity of water in the soil, means plants will not be able to absorb that much of water. So rate of photosynthesis will reduce. So with the decrease in water content, rate of photosynthesis also decrease, and when the water content is sufficient, then the rate of photosynthesis will increase. Now after this, internal factors which affect photosynthesis. The first is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green color pigment, and if it is required for the process of photosynthesis. So if due to nutritional deficiency of mineral, photosynthesis pigment is lost from the leaf, it will affect the rate of photosynthesis. Now, deficiency of certain minerals like magnesium, copper, zinc, which is required for the formation of chlorophyll, chlorophyll pigment is lost from the leaves and it decreases the rate of photosynthesis because chlorophyll pigment will not able to absorb sufficient amount of light. Now next is protoplasm, that is living content. Dehydration of protoplasm also reduces the rate of photosynthesis. Now if there is too much of accumulation of carbohydrates in the plant, in fruits or vegetable form, that also reduces the rate of photosynthesis. Now the last internal factor, that is structure of the leaf. Beta, the thickness of cuticle, second distribution of stomata, and size of the leaf. All these factors also influence the amount of light and carbon dioxide entering the leaf. And according to the amount of light and carbon dioxide entering the leaf, rate of photosynthesis also work. Means if sufficient light is entering, then rate of photosynthesis will be normal. But if the amount of light entering the leaf or the carbon dioxide entering the leaf will be less, rate of photosynthesis is going to decrease. So this is all about factors. Now next we are going to start with experiments.